perfect love story anyway. Cliche, 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 cliche. What's that hero love that saves the day? Anyway. Cliche, 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 cliche. What about the bad guy goes good? Yeah. An innocent love I'm misunderstood. Yeah. Black hourglass, toast to cliches in the dark past. Toast to cliches in the dark past.
Girl, perfect woman. Girl, get the bustin' from the cops, come running, Chuck the deuces, Chuck the deuce, off the juice, say, boys the blues, say,
I don't care if we on the run, baby, long as I'm next to you. And if loving you is a crime, tell me why I bring out the best in you.
I'm an outlaw, got an outlaw chick. Bumpin' Tupac on my outlaw hish. Matching taxes, ink don't come off, even if rings come off and things ring off. My nails get dirty, my past ain't pretty. My lady is, my Mercedes is. My baby mama harder than a lot of you niggas. Keep it 100, hit the lottery, nigga. You ain't bout that life and got a lot of me, nigga. You know it's to the death, I hope it's Ivy the nigga. Cross the line. Speak about mine, I'ma wave this tech. I'm a geek about mine, touch a nigga where it's rib back. I click clack, put your motherfucking wig back. I did that, I've been wildin' since a juvie. She was a good girl till she knew me. Now she's in the drop, bustin' you, we screamin'.
Now that I found the place you let you
deeper than words, beyond right. Die for your love, beyond life. Sweet as a Jesus piece, beyond ice. Blind me, baby, with your neon lights. Ray-Bans on, police in sight. Oh, what a beautiful death. Let's both wear white. If you go to heaven and they bring me to hell, just sneak out and meet me, bring a box of L's. She fell in love with the bad guy. The bad guy, what you doing with them rap guys? Them rap guys, they ain't see potential in me, girl. But you see it, if it's me or you against the world, then so be it,
I don't care if they give me life, I get all of my life from you. And if loving you had a price, I would pay my life for you. I hear sirens while we make love, loud as hell, but they don't know. Nowhere near us. I will hold your heart and your gun. I don't care if they come. No, no, it's crazy, but I don't care. I'll never give it up. Give it up. Give it up. Give it up. All away.
Hi everyone. This presentation is for my twin sister and her husband. They've been married for 5 years, and even though it's my day, I want to share that moment with her.
I don't care. I'll never give it up. Give it up. Give it give it all away. Yeah. Oh, I swear I'll never give it up, give it up, give it up, give it all away. Yeah. Without you, I got nothing to lose. I'm so New Orleans, and I done been around the world, ain't no place like New Orleans. No matter where I go, I end up in New Orleans. And I be smoking on the best loud, I'm so New Orleans. Hey, so New Orleans, I'm so New Orleans. I swear I got to get back to this place that I so love. Been around the world and I can't find my baby. I don't know when, I don't know why. Why he's gone away and I don't know where he can be. So I'm smoking, but I'm gonna find him. Can't understand why we treat each other in this way. Taking up time with the silly games we play. I swear I got to get back to this place that I saw. This day showing me love, I'm so New Orleans, and I done been around the world.
Alright, so tell them how y'all experienced with you personally with DJ.
We had a great time. We played all our songs, mixes. We enjoyed every bit of it.
Simmons winning 2018. Good time being in Radio Game. Appreciate it, baby. Hey, spread love. You should do it.
Thank you.
Thank you.